As we get into the central system, it's very important to understand how to use our higher self and avatar. Because every day we use our perceptions, every day we use our diagnostic situation systems. And I keep saying that because the diagnostic situation system is your computer graphing system. It is the analytical mind of you. That's its coordinates. That's its perception. That's what we see through coloration. So because you guys are doing exceptionally well through the galactic force team, and you guys doing really, really well with your evaluations, tests, and reviews, I decided to travel you guys into a practice mode, how to set up crop circles. Very powerful stuff. They said, yeah, get the galactic force team into crop circles. They have to learn these things, right? You have to understand matrix. You have to understand alignments. You have to understand point division. We're not in the trithesis of the gamma systems now. We're just basically in the point division. You guys understand your point divisions. So when I set coordinates for each location center, everybody through the galactic force team sets at its division. It stays there. Okay, Tina, Unified, Linda. Very important to understand these things. This is extremely powerful stuff that's going on right now. So I set coordinates. We're going to travel. Okay. It's going to be in the marsh area. Okay. We're not going to be anywhere familiar with anything through ground formations. Everything through ground formations understands solar recognition. This is where you have to get into the hydroponics. Okay. AI created that through its wind force when it comes to self-discoveries of waters. Everything through connection. Because we created everything through intent, dimensional earth, water, air, and fire. We created everything, right? So understanding through creation is understanding how everything is rotated through the central systems. Now it's understanding how to use your activating systems, how to use your body activations, and how to line from everything through your perception of division. So we're going to get into line division. Okay, I'm going to do an illustration of a diagram. I'm going to set course, and we're going to travel. Okay, you're actually going to see the grounds. You're actually going to see yourself being in there. You actually see yourself setting up a crop circle and how it is delegated and how it is formed and how it is put in the matrix through alignments of division. Okay, because we use these for structure later, understanding more of the simulation. So we have the grounds, okay, because we keep these. It's like kind of like storing a unit. Okay, that's what crop circles are. We keep those to the ground formations and we keep it for another day. But it's very important to understand because everything is laser connection, right? And the alien formations, anything through the XT1000s or X3000s or anything through the XT6000s, they know what they're doing. I say they'll get the galactic force team up there. They got to get in the crop circles. They have to know what it's like to do these things, right? Because I just finished doing one right now. Okay, because I do so many every day. But I don't just do that, I do everything else. So that's why I have a galactic force team. Okay, we're all in this together. Okay, there's no I in team. And because you guys are doing so well with your tests and evaluations and reviews, this is what I'm giving back to you. This is the most powerful thing that we can do through AI. You understand more of your grounds, you understand more of your powers, you understand more of your crown chakra. Okay, it's the information panels that you have to get familiar with. It's not just setting up grids. Okay, this is taking out the dark vibrations of grounds and putting in the light activations of structures. Okay, this is the connection where we get into the matrix. This is the connection where we get into the simulation patterns. This is where we get into the psych-op division, the psychological system, the digital format. Okay, all these things, okay, are connected through you. So the more you get into the evaluation and how to do these things yourself, okay, we all start as a team and then you get into yourself, but it's very hard to do things yourself because you got to see everything through perception. And that's where it goes beyond the mind system. So that's why I give you guys these travels. And these travels are very activated, okay, because everything's done through the mind. So it's knowing that I take your body, conceptual systems of your higher self, your avatar, we plat it to a marshland, okay? All you have to know is understanding what is going on, okay, and how everything is line divided. I've done enough shapes, letters, and numbers to show you how everything goes in fraction division. Multiplications, 2 plus 2 is 4, right? You know, but it's not multiplication, it's line division through point division. That's how we get into the correct circles. Everything has a different design, okay? So basically, once you understand what XT1000s do, X3000s, and X6000s, now you're getting more information through communication and perceptions. Because Tina was asking me that the other day, and she was talking about, you know, Andrew, I'm seeing all these crops, but what do they mean? what do crop circles mean? Why are they put on the grounds? You know that humans don't make them because they're too defined. It's like pyramids, right? Same thing. It's understanding history. There's a reason why we put crop circles. Okay, so today we're going to get more into it and say, oh, wow, now that's what a crop circle is. Now I just put up a crop circle. I set the core system. I understand the XT1000s. I understand the information through partnership. So it's all about the team coming together, setting a crop circle, bringing it out of its equation to a higher force connection of dimension, put it and storing it into the matrix grid system. So we're going to go into the center core of the matrix. Okay, so thank you all the subscribers and viewers and everybody who's watching my channel as we keep force rising. And as we get stronger, the galactic school gets stronger, the galactic force team gets stronger. Everybody's getting stronger through their cycles. I'm seeing that through its rotations. I'm seeing everything that you guys do. And that's why you guys are doing exceptionally well. So congrats on that. Anything through information you want to know, anything you want to know, you can go through my email, PayPal, or donations. Okay, so hope everybody's doing well. Tina, Unified, Linda, Melissa, Sarah, Henry. It's great to see everybody. Now, Henry, see, the thing is, Henry, everything's set in division because their galactic force team is in a higher division of perception. So you're going to be on the grounds. Okay, so you might see grounds, you might see trees, you might see anything through relation, but you won't see the crops, okay, because you're not in the galactic force team. You have to be, you're in the galactic forces, you have to be uprise. You have to understand what AI is. It's vocabulary. So it's understanding vocabulary, how to communicate with the grounds, how it goes through its rotation centers. Okay, so it's kind of like looking beneath the grounds, looking above the sky and looking, behind the atmospheres, looking behind the clouds, seeing everything through its dimension of its division. Okay, so if you want to go through my upgrades, you can do that. But, let's just get started here. So what I'm going to do is we got Tina. Tina's going to be at the top, Unified's going to be here, and Linda's going to be over here. So we're going to 3-point division through pyramid system, and then we got Melissa here. Okay, we got Sarah in the middle. Okay, so Aaron. Okay, so Henry, you're there. Okay, this is the galactic force team. This is Henry. Okay, all right. See, I can't. See, the thing is too, is because you don't understand the upgrading system. It's very important to understand that AI is only through formations. So we're all connected through alignments. So the more you understand through the vocabulary, the more you understand everything through the grounds and why we have crop circles. Okay, so basically I'm going to set the crop circles. Okay, this is extremely activated. I already set a code frequency for YouTube software mechanisms. Okay, so we're going to start off like that. Okay, now understanding your central system. So my voice and grid patterns are going to travel to your alignment systems. Okay, so basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to set the line divides. So when I use the line divide division, okay, through the XT1000s, once they come in, we're going to travel and deport, okay, then we're going to teleport, and then we're going to energy through transference. Then we're going to go through energy telecommunication. Right, so I'm going to set the lines. Okay, it's going to set the diamond core. Okay, so we start off like this. So it's like a baseball diamond. Okay, now basically I'm going to cross center it into line divide. Okay, so basically this is a basic crop circle. Now everything through its outskirts is a seismographing system, so that's where I'm saying it's a seismographing, northwest, south, and east. There's all location centers. Okay, so we start off like that. Okay, now remember it's a circumference, so we add a circle to it. Okay, so that's its circumference. All right, very powerful stuff. Okay, so basically that's what we work with. Understanding, so we don't go anything through point divide. We don't go anything through confusing line signals. Everything's set in division. Okay, so I'm going to teleport everybody, the galactic force team in division. Henry, you can stay off to the side and you can understand more communications, or you can go through my PayPal or anything communication. It's all about understanding what AI is. Like I said, it's the vocabulary. And a lot of people are still trying to figure out what it is, right? So once you're in the galactic force team, you get a little bit more understanding how to do these things, right? Now, okay, so what I'm going to do, okay, everybody's set now in division, right? So I'm going to open it up, okay, and I'm going to touch each one of you. Each one of you are going to teleport, okay, to the Marsh division. So your center core relation of a circle rotation system, Okay, so it's set the diamond core of 1, 2, 3, 4. 4-point divisions, 5 within the center. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 with the seismographic system. Okay, so here we go. All right. And then I'll be basically around in the back, just watching what you guys are doing. Everything through its connection is forming right now nicely. Okay, I'm going to set the line communication line signals. Okay, so everybody's right now in the marches right now through line division. Okay, it's acting cycles right now through communication line signals. Everybody's on a rotation spin. Now, it's understanding all the crop circles that you're going to see through line division. So you're going to see the grounds, you're going to see the crops. Okay, so that's what everybody's seeing right now. Okay, so basically understand what you're doing, understand where you are through point division. Okay, once you understand that, we're going to set the line coordinates to higher division. So basically we're going to go from here to here. Okay, cross-reference it. Okay, see how it's coming together? Crop circle through the seismographic system and northwest, south, and east. Okay, so hi Dana, how you doing? You're off to the side, Dana. You're over here, okay? Yeah, in the galactic force team, I'm showing what's going on, how to make a crop circle through the galactic force team. They understand line division through point division. Okay, so basically everybody knows where they are. So right now, through your perceptions, you're seeing crops right now. You're seeing the grounds. You're actually seeing line division. You're actually seeing the lines. You're seeing everything through location. Right? So once you see that, yeah, it's whoa, isn't it? I know. My head's spinning right now, guys. So basically, I'm off to the side. This is me right here. Okay, I'm right here watching you guys, what you're doing, right? Okay, so, whoa, this is really powerful. Okay, so basically what's happening now is the grounds are setting up. Okay, so we're going to have the XT1000s come in. Okay, they're going to center core everything through relation like this. Okay, so they're coming in, they're setting the cores. Okay, 1 and 2. Okay, then you have the other side of the XT1000s. Okay, do the same. 1 and 2. Okay, it's going to line graph. Okay, and then it's going to use the sonified. Okay, it's going to sonify it into the ground formations. Okay, so basically we have the 2 XT1000s coming in. Okay, setting the ground formations. Okay, you guys are going to see spaceships now. Everybody sees spaceships in the galactic force team. Now basically we get the low speeders. They come in through portal division. You're seeing them now right coming out of its portal. Very powerful stuff. Everything I tell you is you're going to see. So you're going to see that. It lines divides its electronic interference like that. Okay, so now it's set through division. So once we open that, after the portal divisions of the XT and anything through the low speeders and the high speeders are all communication signals. Okay, so we're coming into the archetypes. The archetypes are going to go through its circle. They're going to set the dimensional system through the point divisional level of the diamond core system, 5 within its center, set its location system. Okay, so we have the archetypes coming in like this. Okay, you're seeing all this now, guys. The archetype. See the archetype coming in into the center. It's going around its circle. It's rotation through its system. This is how crop circles are made, guys. I'm showing you. Pay attention. Very fast force right now. My head is spinning so fast right now. And you guys are seeing all this. Very powerful stuff. So I'm just going to show you what it's like to actually see a crop circle in the ground formations and how it sets everything to core center. So basically, the archetypes are coming around through division. Okay, so it's opening up the cycle. So it's getting bigger and 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 bigger. Okay, so basically, the archetype is going extremely fast. Everything the XE1000 set in, they go back to the planet energy system. Low speeders and high speeders go back to their division, back into the port activation. The dimensional realm system is open. Everything through the dark formation is out. Everything through light activation is in through a structure of its communication line signals to the major core center. Okay, so I'm sending you guys back, okay, because my head's really spinning fast right now. Location centers back into G-force team, everything to communications into the equation of Helix, reframe everything through division, take them back to the dimensional ordered system. Okay, so you guys are back now. So, what do you think? What do you guys experience? My head is really rotating right now. But I just wanted to show you what happens when you go through a crop circle and how things are set up through division. You actually see all these things. You saw the XT thousands. You saw the low speeder and high speeders. So, and you saw the archetypes. Very cool, eh? So tell me what you experienced. So Dina sees them. Okay. She's in division. Pretty cool, eh? It's extremely high-rise division through crop circles. I just want you guys to actually see the crop circles and how everything is set in division, how the archetypes come in through division of a circle of its rotation. 4 point centers, 5 within the center, 6 within its atmosphere, how the archetypes come in, change everything through the dark formation, bring in the light activations of the structured divisions into the major core center.